All right, this is going to be a little bit more difficult for me to video because I have to hold my phone. But this is where I want you to take out your hundreds chart that you wrote on, or you can take out, grab it, the other one we sent you that looks like this. And you're going to use your tens and ones for this. Take some tens and you cut out some ones. So I'm going to get all my ones kind of patched together here and my tens in a group, and I'm going to play a game. I'm going to challenge myself, and I'm going to challenge you to follow along. So go ahead and get out one of your charts, get out your tens and your ones, and you can, I'm going to tell you a number and you can pause the video and find the number yourself, or you can just follow along with me. So I'm going to start out with the number 22. And if I think about the number 22, I know it looks like this, 22. So I'm going to need two tens. So I'm going to go ahead and take two of my tens and put them across. Count to 10 once. Count to 10 two times to get to the number 20, which is right there. But I'm not quite there yet. I need two ones to cover up 21, 22. Now, what if I were to ask you, what is 10 more than 22? Think about a way you can show that. You can pause the video here, or you can continue to follow along. Now, if I say 10 more, that means I need to put in a whole nother 10. Now, there's not room here. If I try to fit it on right here, it's just going to go off the edge. So my trick with this is I'm going to slide down the two that are kind of in the way. I'm just going to slide them right down to the ones below, and that gives me space to put a whole nother 10 in there. And now I have 10 more than 22, which is, sorry, my things are getting messed up. Which is, let's peek, 32. 32. Continue to challenge yourself at each day to learn your 10 more and 10 less. Okay, scholars, here we are with our number chart again. I'm going to challenge you with a different number. Let's try the number 77. I heard the word 70. So I'm going to look in my 70 row. Here's where 70 starts. I'm going to look at all my sevens. 77. Oop, there it is. So I need to get to there. It looks like I need 7 tens. So I'm going to go ahead and take out 7 of these. And I'm going to cover up 1, 2, 3. And keep them nice and neat. 4, 5, 6, and 7, all the way till I get to that number 70 covered up. But now I need to get to 77. I can't put a whole nother 10 in there because I'm only allowed to have 7 tens, but I can put 7 ones. So I'm going to go like this, 70. Now, real quick, let's practice this. We're going to say, what is 10 less? What is 10 less than 77? If I say 10 less, when I think about the words 10 less, I know that less means to subtract or take away. And I want 10 less than 77. So I'm going to have 77, take away that 10. What is that going to equal? Let's see. Let's go back over to my chart. I'm going to go ahead and take away the 10. Whoa. I'm going to go ahead and take away that 10, but I didn't take away any of the ones. So I need to make sure my ones fill in the missing spot up there. I'm going to just slide them all up, and look where I landed at, 67. So 10 less than 77 is 67. Okay, so go ahead and try these equations using your 10 or your 120 chart and your tens and ones to show these equations.